Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use green gram powder on your face. First, gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons of green gram powder and enough water or rose water to form a paste. This natural ingredient is fantastic for gentle exfoliation and deep cleansing. Mix them thoroughly in a small bowl until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. This simple preparation is the first step to a radiant complexion. Once your green gram paste is ready, ensure your face is clean and dry. Using your fingertips or a soft brush, apply an even layer of the mask to your face and neck, being careful to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes and lips. Let this natural treatment work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it feels completely dry to the touch. After the mask has dried, it's time for removal. Dampen your face with lukewarm water, then gently massage the mask in small, circular motions. This helps to exfoliate your skin naturally. Rinse thoroughly until all traces of the powder are gone. You'll immediately notice your skin feels softer and looks brighter. Regular use can help improve skin texture and tone. For best results, incorporate this green gram face mask into your routine 1 or 2 times a week. Always perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before full application to ensure no irritation occurs. After rinsing, gently pat your face dry and apply a light moisturizer to lock in hydration. Store your green gram powder in an airtight container to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.